Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai sticky rice using a rice cooker. It's so easy to make and it's good too. First we have to soak 1.5 cups of sweet rice in water for a minimum of 6 hours or overnight. Then we are going to rinse the rice and make sure that it's drained completely. Prepare to add 1.5 cups of coconut milk, three-fourths cup of water, a quarter cup of sugar, and mix well till all the ingredients are well combined. Now let's cook the rice. The rice cooker will cook the sweet rice automatically and turn off when done. Now let's prepare the sauce. Pour 1.5 cups of coconut milk in a saucepan. Then add 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we mix well all the ingredients till combined. Now let's bring it to a boil. While waiting, I am going to prepare a slurry. It's 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Now we're going to add the slurry and keep cooking till it's boiling. The sauce is already thick and now it's ready. Pour the sauce into a serving bowl and then set aside. Let's check on the rice. I'm using a different rice cooker now because the other one died on me. Rice is ready. I like to mix the rice for a little bit. Place the sticky rice on a serving dish. Then arrange the sliced mangoes beside it. Then pour the sauce on the rice as much as you like. Now the sticky rice is ready. Kain na tayo!